Hey guys, and massively coming in, this is your real life look at the iPhone 18 Pro drop test, internal components including details and images of A20 Pro Bionic chipset, C2 modem and main circuit board. So we have the iPhone 18 Pro in new silver shade, same rectangular camera module, triple cameras on the back with LiDAR, flash and mic on the top right corner. The camera module and the individual camera bumps are thicker and slightly wider compared to the 17 Pro Max. Rumors suggest the 18 Pro Max is getting a variable aperture, which is gonna help the iPhone control how much light enters the camera for better images, and this could be the reason for thicker camera module and wider camera lenses. The interesting part is all the iPhone 17 Pro Max cases fit perfectly on the iPhone 18 Pro Max. The action key and volume keys are on the left, the power key and camera control are on the right, and the USB-C port is at the bottom. Now the massive change you'll notice is a smaller dynamic island. It's around 25 to 30% smaller than the iPhone 17 dynamic island, all thanks to in-display Face ID flood emulator now located on the top left corner. So it's definitely gonna look better when watching movies or playing games, and now with iOS 27 plus Siri AI, it's gonna look great overall. The iPhone 18 Pro will feature Apple's A20 Pro Bionic chipset based on 2nm TSMC process. It's gonna be very powerful and power efficient, can play AAA games without any issue. We may see a 5000 plus mAh battery in the Pro Max and a new custom made C2 modem for better network reception. So not a massive jump from last year. The main focus this year will be iPhone Ultra. This is the iPhone Ultra plastic mock-up. This time we went to the Apple store to compare it with the iPhone 17 series and iPhone Air. And guys, this device is gonna sell like hotcakes. So again, we have a small and short passport style form factor, more like a square shaped device when folded, and the rear design is clearly inspired by the iPhone Air. We have a pill shaped camera module, dual cameras, flash and a mic. Size comparison with the 6.9-inch iPhone 17 Pro Max, definitely small and shorter. Here's 6.3-inch 17 Pro, 6.5-inch iPhone Air and 6.3-inch iPhone 17. So definitely a little wider but easily reachable with one hand. I had no issues holding the iPhone Fold plastic mock-up, and I love the overall design of this device. In terms of the design, we have a sharp and flat edge side where the hinge is and rounded corners on the other side. So two different design styles into a single device. That's all guys, thanks so much for watching. Your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Like, share, subscribe and peace out.